guys, welcome back to another video. And today I will be playing Animal Jam. So, well, in this video I will be doing I will be doing an adventure. I hope you guys love this video because it might help you with this so if you need help with the adventure, you could follow me with this video. But before I start, please enjoy. I want you guys to enjoy this video. So let's get started. Okay, this is my little bunny, and as you see here, I know my mouse is glitching. So I have so much scars because I bought it, yeah. And I have these member items too. I'm not that rich, I guess. Okay, let's go to adventure now. Wait, oops. Let's go here. What should we do? Wait, let's read the news first. Okay. Okay, Wild Weekend. Jamali. I can't read it. Okay, in July. Okay. Are you feeling low? In need of some cheer? For one weekend only, the oh my god. Yeah. The Jamalidi. I can't say it, guys. I'm sorry. Jam has opened its store, so be sure to check out all its items in store. Deer and pet reindeer have joined in on the fun. Don't let them miss this weekend to enjoy the summer sun. Okay. Pet goats! Oh my gosh! We're not kidding. Pet goats are trotting back to Jama. These scruffy pets can't wait to skip and play all summer long. So adopt your own adorable pet goat today. Okay, that's enough reading it. I'm going to actually, guys, I don't know what video I should do. Well, I mean, adventure I should do. So, guys, comment down below what adventure I should do, and I'll do it straight away for you guys, definitely. Because, guys, I love you so much, and I want you to enjoy this video so much. So, let's go to my sister's den. She's at Noel's den. That always says to me. Who's she? Sis, who is she?
No one.
No one?
I'm trading her. She wanted my scarf.
Why?
I don't know.
Why can't she buy it by herself? How dumb of her.
I don't know. I have two anyway.
I'm gonna tell her that I'm making a video.
And the blue one. I'll wear it. See? Look, I have it. Oh, I'm gonna go to your den. Wait for me.
Ugh.
Why would you say I'm making a video right now?
Because I wanted to say it. I know, my mouse is keep on glitching. I don't like it.
By the way, guys, thank you for 14 subscribers.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, what did she say? Can you trade me your ref and fire?
What's that?
What? I don't get what she means. My ref and fire. Oh,
you
that is not a ref, okay? Leader.
Say no, say no, say no.
For something good, though.
3, 2, 1. I always say tree for free because you can't say free.
Why the hell does she want everything from us? I
So
don't
what
know.
is my scar?
3,
She
2,
keeps
1.
on saying, yeah, that means 3, 2, 1.
Please,
So
I wish I have that.
Bye,
I don't care if you wanted that one. Well, it was my wish.
Buy it. Buy.
She's so weird. But, never mind.
What?
Oh, why is my mask glitching, guys?
You buy it in.
Just ignore my mouse, okay, guys?
Diamond shop. She wouldn't buy it from the diamond shop.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
have 9 diamonds.
She probably doesn't have.
Okay, I put on trade away. If it's a bad one, okay.
Is she gonna hurry up? Spinning. No kidding.
I don't trade.
No, she said but she better trade me good or I'll just line
No,
because
she said I put something on trade. Wait.
that is horrible. Why would I trade her with that? No,
She
women,
said-
sorry.
Okay, I put on trade. Wait. Did she even?
Red one boy. Oh no, she already said that. She said done.
She's walking, and I can't catch her.
She said done.
Who's playing?
I don't know. What the heck?
Oh, get that.
No.
Yours. Oh, get the phantom. Phantom. I don't know how to say it.
What phantom? Holy fountain.
Yeah, not phantom.
Sorry, no, dude.
Bye.
Dude, no, I'm sorry, but
Yeah.
that is horrible. Don't like those, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being rude to you. You
She-
either give me good or nope. Sorry, no. So,
Where are
nope. Where is she? Treat me now, please. No! No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, what the heck? Look at that face. That sucks. Oh no! Oh my gosh, she's making me laugh so bad, guys. Oh my god. I'm just getting out of there. She's such a baby. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, honey, but
I wanna see
no.
what she's saying. She said.
That is so mean. Oh my gosh.
She said it's not funny.
I don't care. What? I couldn't say it.
Come here, come here, come here.
Wait.
I'm,
Wait.
I'm not your sis.
Help me. Oh my gosh.
She said I'm not. She said help me, sis.
She's not your sister. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Don't love.
Hi, sis.
Guys, I'm not mean, just saying because that's just funny, and I don't. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I don't like it. I don't like it. She has anger issues. I think so. I'm sorry.
Go to your den.
I said don't.
Run.
Ah, I didn't like ice. Okay.
Run.
I didn't like it. Okay. You go to my den. I didn't.
I know. Fudge.
Don't go.
Yeah,
Don't go.
I'm gonna turn it down. Put down your favorite song.
No.
Well, mine is this song. Well, the one that don't like it. Why don't you like it? What did she do?
I didn't like the thing that she wants to trade me. It's horrible. Do not follow me. I don't care. I don't care. Do I care?
You
No.
buy it.
I don't. No. Oh wait. Oops. I don't care.
Buy it. You buy it.
Exactly. Why can't she buy herself when making people trade her
I
that?
want her then.
It's not for free, you know, honey. You know that, right?
She's crying.
And do I care?
Yeah, I don't care.
Cause she's just a crybaby, and I don't know why she would cry for that.
She is doing surprised.
Wait, what?
Wow, she doesn't even know to buy it.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so funny.
She doesn't
Wait,
even
no.
know.
Wait, you can't buy it anymore, I don't think.
I can. Because I have diamonds. I have 9.
No, but is it in the diamond shop still?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh my gosh, it's so happy. Oh,
I
yeah.
forgot.
It's okay.
Where is she?
Oh
said
my gosh,
follow me.
I feel like did she come with? Oh my god!
Why the heck is she following you?
I don't know. Oh my god, not that
I'm
much,
bugging
honey.
her.
Didn't. What?
Oh my god.
Nanya! Oh my gosh, that voice was horrible. Nani. None.
She's asking
No.
you when I said follow me.
Exactly. No. Not telling. Not telling. Guys, if you want to be my buddy, here's my user. Write on a piece of paper, guys. Because I want to be famous. Just joking. I don't want to be mean. So, guys, I want you to enjoy this. Oh, hi, friend. I'm not your friend, okay? Sir, no, don't call me a friend. I have a name also.
No, maybe she's saying it to Yanil. I don't even know her name.
You could live. She's my friend.
Yanil.
Because she just buddied me. I feel like I'm
This
famous.
would be crazy if you had a buddy and they had a buddy that was your friend.
Guys, I don't know why
That'd be cool.
my flippin' mouse is glitching, and I do not like it.
Hi,
Hey,
Sparkle.
Sparkle. Did
Who's
you just call
playing?
me Sparkle? Wait, my
No,
name's
she's-
not. Is my name Sparkle?
No.
My name is Sparkle, and I did not know that.
Let me see. Let me see.
I'm so tired.
Look if your name's
My,
Sparkle.
I don't want to look. Just look by yourself.
Your name is.
Oh my god.
She's not even coming up. Finally, your name is Very Pretty Bunny.
Oh, so I'm not Sparkle, huh? I'm not Sparkle, lady.
I have bad news.
Wait, what's her name? Wait, she's not my buddy.
She's Princess Muzabaha.
She's my buddy still. I have a bad news. A bad news name, seriously. And I have a YouTuber's
No
name on the
more.
description box below. So,
Which is mine.
yeah.
There's no more.
Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this
Wait.
video.
I want to see what she's going to say when I say there's no more fireplaces. Wait, she didn't.
Oh my
say
gosh. Let's see, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Love you so much.